India reported 114 COVID-19 related deaths across the country and a jump of 354 coronavirus disease cases, taking the tally to 4,421. The Union Health Ministry said this morning, as per a media report. As the country entered the 14th day of the countrywide lockdown, there are 3,981 active cases and 325 people have been cured or discharged or have migrated, the Health Ministry's data showed. The total number of cases in the northeast states now stands at Assam 27, Manipur 2, Mizoram 1, Arunachal Pradesh 1 and Tripura 1. According to reports, a 45-year-old woman from Udaipur, Tripura, tested positive yesterday, Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev informed. Taking to his Twitter handle, Biplab Dev asked people not to panic and that proper care is being taken of the patient. On the other hand, in Assam, one more COVID-19 positive case from Dhubri district has been confirmed, taking the total number of Assam to 27. This patient is related to Nizamuddin Markaz at Delhi. India has partially eased restrictions on the export of anti-malarial drug hydroxychloroquine, refusing to cap into a threat of retaliation from US President Donald Trump if New Delhi turned down his request to lift the hold on American orders, according to a media report. Hydroxychloroquine tablet is seen as a visible therapeutic solution to cure COVID-19 disease that has so far affected over 1 million people across the world. Amid the COVID-19 pandemic and the ongoing total shutdown and curfew, Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System JCILPS convener YK Dhiren has expressed concern over reports of some truck drivers plying along the national highways secretly transporting illegal migrants into the state on their vehicles. He criticized such acts of the drivers, saying it might help in spreading the deadly COVID-19 in Manipur. He urged all truck drivers not to ferry any migrants who do not possess proper identification card. Manipur Students Association Delhi Masad has said that racism is one of the most serious epidemics witnessing right now in Southeast Asian region. Masad President Chinkhai condemned the recent racial crime that meted out to a Manipuri woman in Mumbai, where an unidentified person spat pan or chewing tobacco on her. Chinkhai informed that Masad is soon starting an online placard campaign for racial attack victims from Northeast India. For this, he informed that users can express their viewpoints against racism on the Masad Facebook page. In the wake of deadly COVID-19 pandemic which led to nationwide lockdown, people have been deprived of essential items including medicines, face masks and hand sanitizers. One Motum Thoibi of Hojais, Gauranagar in Assam has been making face masks at home. Talking to our channel, she said that she will distribute the masks to public free of cost. The sample of a nurse of North Bengal Medical College and Hospital Siliguri resulted in positive for coronavirus, who was under treatment for last few days. As informed, the nurse was part of the medical team for treatment of the Kalimpong woman who died last Monday and the railway personnel of Pradhan Nagar who died couple of days ago after testing COVID-19 positive. The Union Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla has written to all the state chief secretaries to keep the supply of medical oxygen smooth and hassle-free. It has been emphasized upon as there is a critical need to maintain an adequate supply of medical oxygen in the country in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. According to media reports, the World Health Organization has included medical oxygen in the national list and also in the list of essential medicines. US President Donald Trump yesterday sent out strong indications of retaliation if India does not lift its ban on the export of hydroxychloroquine or HCQ. Speaking from the White House during the Coronavirus Task Force briefing, Trump said that he would be surprised if New Delhi doesn't send hydroxychloroquine, as per media reports.